Hi there, welcome to Tech Center. This is Joshua and I'm going to make a 5-part series where I will show you how to make a game similar to Flappy Bird in Python. After posting all 5 videos, I'm going to combine all 5 parts and I'm going to post it as a single long video. In this video, I am using Python 3.8.3. I have posted a video showing you how to install Python 3.8.3. This video is the first part of the series, and today I will be showing you how to create the screen and the fundamental classes in the program. I will put the links to the other parts in the comments section below the video when they are released. Before we jump into the video, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive any future videos from my channel. If you haven't already watched my previous video about installing Python 3.8.3 version, I have put a link in the description box below so you can watch the video. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please contact me via email at 4techcenter@gmail.com. Now let's open Python from the Windows Programs list. Click Start, scroll down to Python 3.8, then click on Idle Python. Now let's open a new file. New file. Now let's close the shell and maximize the Python programming window. Before we start programming, let me show you the final result. Here you can see the home screen. At the top of the screen you can see the title, Flappy Bird. In the center of the screen you can see the instructions in yellow and blue writing. At the bottom of the screen you can see the play button. If we click on play, you can see that there are 4 buttons, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the instructions again. This button is the home button. If you click on it, you'll be taken back to the home screen. Let's go back. Here you can see 3 game modes: easy, medium and hard. As the difficulty increases, the speed of the bird increases. For example, if I go on easy mode, you can see that the bird is moving really slow. If we touch the pipes, you can see that we will lose the game. As you can see, once we lost the game and it said game over, it took us straight back to the home screen. I'm going to click on play, and I'm going to click on hard mode. As you can see, the bird is moving a lot faster than before. Now to make the bird fly, you have to either press the space bar, or you can click the screen. Now I'm going to choose easy mode again. If you touch the top of the screen, you'll fall down to the ground and you'll lose. If you touch the ground, you'll also lose. To gain points, you have to move the bird in between the pipes. Now you can see that we're at 998 points. Now that we're at 999, you can see the trophy on the right hand side. You can see that when we touched it, it says congratulations, you won hard mode. Now the high score will save. Let me show you. As you can see, the high score has saved and it's 1000. Now let's close the window. Step 1. Importing the modules. First of all, we're going to import the tkinter module. This is for the widgets and the interactive buttons on the screen. From tkinter import asterisk, enter. We're also going to be importing the turtle library, which is used for the game mechanics and other visuals. Import turtle, enter. We're also going to need the random module. This is to generate a random number. Import random, enter. Import time. We're going to need the time module. This is so we have a pause in between certain events, in between the program. Enter, enter. Step 2. Creating the game window. I'm going to call my screen or window win. So wn equals turtle dot capital S screen, open brackets, close brackets, enter. wn.title, open brackets, open quotation marks. Now we write the title. I'm going to call it Flappy Bird, close quotation marks, close brackets, enter. wn.setup, open brackets, width equals, we're going to set the width of the screen to 450 pixels, comma, space, height equals 700, so the height of the screen is going to be 700 pixels, close brackets, enter. Now we're going to make the screen non-resizable. To do that, we have to do wn.cv._root window dot resizable, open brackets, capital F false, comma, space, capital F false, close brackets, enter. Now we're going to set the background color, wn.bgcolor, open brackets, open quotation marks, hash 73C 5CE, close quotation marks, close brackets, enter. wn.tracer, open brackets, 0, close brackets. Now this line, make sure that there is no delay in the animation of any movement of turtles on the screen. Enter, enter. Step 3. Assigning the canvas to a variable. I'm going to call my variable canvas. Canvas space equals space wn dot get canvas. Make sure get canvas is a single word. Open brackets, close brackets, enter, enter. Step 4. Initialising the widgets list. We are going to create a list. I'm going to call this list widgets space equals, and to create an empty list, press open square brackets, close square brackets. To start off, we're not going to put anything inside the widgets list. We're going to add things to the widgets list and we're going to remove them as we go on later. Enter, enter. Step 5. Creating a sprite class. Class space, I'm going to call this class sprite, open brackets, turtle dot capital T turtle, close brackets, colon, enter. Def space underscore underscore init underscore underscore, open brackets, self comma space height comma space length comma space shape comma space color comma space start position comma space dx comma space dy, close brackets, colon, enter. Super, open brackets, close brackets, dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore, open brackets, shape equals shape comma space visible space equals space false, make sure false has a capital letter, close brackets, enter. Now we're going to set the animation speed and the actual speed of the turtle at its fastest. To do that, we have to do self.speed, open brackets 0, close brackets, enter, self.speed, space equals space, 0, enter. Now we're going to hide the sprites, self.ht, open brackets, close brackets, enter. We're also going to make sure that it doesn't draw on the screen when it moves, so we're going to do pen up, self.pu, open brackets, close brackets, enter. Now we're going to set the height and width of the sprite, self.shapesize. Make sure shape size is one word, open brackets, stretch underscore width, space equals space, height, comma space, stretch underscore len, space equals space, length, comma space, outline, space equals space none. Make sure none has a capital N, close brackets, enter. Now we're going to set the color of the sprite, self.color, open brackets, color, make sure you spell color right, close brackets, enter, self.goto, open brackets, start, capital P position, close brackets, enter, self.dx space equals space dx, enter, self.dy space equals space dy. So what we did here with these last two lines was we set the difference in x coordinate and difference in y coordinate. So it's used to set the speed of the sprite. Now I'm going to end the video so that it doesn't get too long. So before we close the Python programming window, I'm going to save the file. Go to File and click on Save. Type in a file name. I'm going to call it Flappy Bird. And then I'm going to click on Save. Now that the file is saved, I'm going to close the Python programming window. In my next 4 videos, I will post tutorials to continue programming Flappy Bird in Python. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you liked this video, please smash that like button and share it with your friends and family. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please click that red subscribe button below. If you have any questions or comments about this video, or if you'd like to get links for all of my previous videos, please contact me via email on techcenter@gmail.com. I have added it in the description box below. See you in the next video.